Allegiant 2254, climb maintains 5,000.
Maintain 5,000, Allegiant 2254.
Allegiant 2254, contact line departure, have a good flight. Allegiant 2254, contact line departure.
Allegiant 2254, we have fire indication, and we'll get back to you.
Allegiant 2254, do you require assistance?
Yeah, Allegiant 2254, we'll get back to you.
Allegiant 2254 tower.
Allegiant 2254.
Okay, do you require any assistance?
And Allegiant 2254, yeah, we're still with you. Yeah, we had to shut down our number 2 engine. We had a fire indication on it. It appears like the engine fire is out at this time. Yeah, we'd like to come back for visual on 9 left.
Allegiant 2254, roger. Can you contact Orlando departure for vectors back here, or do you want to turn toward the airport?
We prefer to just stay with you. We can make a pattern to come back 9 left to visual.
Allegiant 2254, roger. I understand you're returning to the airport. Fly direct to midfield, downwind runway 9 left.
That is correct, yes. And we are declaring emergency.
2254, understand you're declaring emergency. Direct to midfield, downwind runway 9 left.
We're making midfield downwind for 9 left, Allegiant 2254.
2254, stay souls on board and fuel on board.
Allegiant 2254, yeah, we have about 3 hours of fuel and 91 souls on board.
Thank you. Allegiant 2254, you can turn toward the airport at your discretion. Runway 9 left, clear to land, you're number 1.
All right, number 1, and our discretion, Allegiant 2254.
Allegiant 2254, Orange City antennas at your 12 o'clock in about 5 miles. I believe they're about 1,600 feet, but we're double checking the altitude.
Allegiant 2254, we're at 2,000 feet. We have the antennas inside.
2254, thank you. And Allegiant 2254 for clarification, you're cleared for the visual approach, runway 9 left, clear to land.
All right, clear visual 9 left and clear to land 9 left, Allegiant 2254.
Hey Tower, Allegiant 2254, we're kind of busy with checklist, so we're probably going to need a little longer downwind here before we turn base.
Allegiant 2254, understand checklist and turn base a little bit. Okay, 470 due to the emergency inbound approach has stopped our departures, so I'm not sure if you want to go back to the ramp or what you're going to want to do, but I think it's going to be a little while before you get out of here.
Sanford Tower, November 32042 is inbound on the Jessup. Heard you have an emergency. Are you able to take us in?
32042, Sanford Tower, you full stop?
No, we were just going to do a lap. If it's too busy, we'll cancel.
Allegiant 2254, is it possible for you to stay within 10 miles of the airport?
We're probably going to be a little further out than that. If you'd like, we can do like a 360 return here, but we do still have a few things to accomplish with our checklist here.
2254, roger, make a left 360.
Roger.
Number 32042, fly direct to base for runway 9 right, clear for the option.
Direct to base, runway 9 right, clear for the option. Thank you. 042.
Number 32042, after the option, where are you going?
We're going to go up to DeLand, please, 042.
Okay.
Hey Tower, Allegiant 2254, we're going to end up doing one more circle here before we're ready.
Allegiant 2254, roger, you can make one more left 360.
Thank you.
Allegiant 2254, remain north of the final for runway 9 left in your 360.
Roger, stay north of 9 left final, Allegiant 2254.
Tower, Allegiant 2298, visual approach 9 left.
Allegiant 2298, Sanford Tower, runway 9 left, clear to land.
9 left, clear to land, Allegiant 2298.
Allegiant 2298S turns are approved if you need it. Company's still in a 360 north of us, and wind 3507, altimeter 3009er.
Allegiant 2298, copy.
32042, maintain VFR at or below 1,500 and fly runway heading.
At or below 1,500, fly one-way heading, 042.
Hey, Allegiant 2254, we are starting our base turn now.
In 2254, you'll be number 1 to the field. You can start turn towards the field, runway 9 or left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 9 left, Allegiant 2254.
2254, wind 34008, altimeter 3009er. Number 32042, you said to the land.
Yes, please, 042.
042, fly heading 050.
050, November 32042.
32042, maintain VFR at or below 1,500.
VFR at or below 1,500, 042.
In 2298, turn right on runway 18. Cross runway 9 center on runway 18. Charlie to the ramp, this frequency today.
All right, with you, right on 18, cross 9 center, Charlie to the ramp. Allegiant 2298.
050.
Turning around to that now, 050, 042, sorry about that.
32042, I need you 050 and at or below 1,500.
050, at or below 1,500, November 320.
042, stay in 10, are you on the 50 heading now?
Yes, sir, 050.
32042, are you, I need you on a 050 heading. It looks like you're doing southeast to me.
My instrument is showing 050 right now.
32042, I'm showing you going southeast bound.
My apologies. Could you give me a degree vector to get you out of your airspace here? Because I've got the 050.
For 32042, heading 050 degrees.
Hey, for Allegiant 2254, just want to confirm we have the fire truck standing by.
2254, the fire trucks are standing by, wind 3507, runway 9 or left, clear to land.
So clear to land, 9 left, Allegiant 2254. Thanks.
32042, you still appear to be heading southeastbound, and I show your altitude is 700.
We're just trying to get out of your airspace, sir. I'm having problems with that instrument. It's still showing 050, so I'm just getting out a compass here so I can get on the right heading for you, 042.
32042, contact your land departure 135.3.
Contact departure 135.3. My apologies, we've got a compass now, so I'm turning to 050 as well.
Agent 2254, you can turn right at Bravo 7 or Bravo 8. Contact ground, 0.35, good day.
And 2254, is it okay if we stop here for a minute and have the fire truck check us out?
Agent 2254 approved.
Thanks.